of our Squad Mama's YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything that y'all doing. Y'all giving me life. But anyway, don't forget to tell your mama, tell your friends, tell your aunts, your uncles, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, your mothers, or whatever, whoever they is, to come and join the Takeover Squad, man. Make sure y'all share it. Give my videos a thumbs up. Subscribe. It's free. And we're here with another video. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the Takeover Squad. I'm back with another mukbang. Y'all see the hair hanging and swinging. I took it out yesterday, washed it, conditioned it, and cut my sides down. And not only that, I plaited it or whatever. So I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? But y'all probably can't see me. How to bring my light closer. Y'all really probably can't see me that well because it's kind of not bright. It's kind of muggy outside. The humidity is crazy. Like, it's hot. I just got finished cleaning up and took a bath and got myself together, you know. So y'all gotta excuse the shirt. It's Cloroxed. This is Bay work shirt. But anyway, y'all, I'm coming back with another mukbang for you guys. Today we're having some cherry sweet tarts. And guess what? Some chicken nuggets from McDonald's, man. I don't have any sauce because I really like my chicken nuggets bland. Like, I don't know why. Well, we're going to get into this mukbang today, this little story time. So I want to tell my cousin congratulations on the baby. I'm so proud of you. I'm so excited. I wish I could come see you and spend time with you, man, and I just love you. But anyway, congratulations, and our family is growing and everything like that, and Lord have mercy, some more baby cousins on the way. But today I woke up in the wrong way today. Well, I woke up in my feelings this morning, technically. I don't know, wow. Everything okay. I just woke up in my feelings. I stayed up last night until like 7, 8 o'clock this morning. I was playing my game on my phone because I couldn't go to sleep. Everybody in my household was locked out. But I am having a good day today. It's a little muggy outside. So it's like my feelings and my emotions, my aura is all over the place. You want chicken nugget? But overall, I'm still able to smile. My ear itching because I woke up with a smile on my face. I woke up with breath in my body. And I hope all y'all is having a good day. Just as well as me. You want some sweet tarts? Make sure y'all go check out my videos, man. Post them down below. Try my challenges out, man. Next week, be looking out for that hot and spicy challenge where I'm going to be eating some spicy stuff, some spicy Cheetos, I believe, and I think some hot fries, and I can't have nothing to drink. Or so It's like my stomach, bruh, it's gonna be bubbling. I'm gonna be hurting. Just hope I don't have to go to the hospital. So y'all keep me in y'all prayers. But what are y'all doing for Father's Day, man? Comment down below. Let me know what y'all doing for Father's Day. And right now, my father is sick, so keep him in y'all prayers. He takes dialysis. He got me very worried about him. But we actually spent some time together yesterday, and I enjoyed it. Because when he's sick, he just like to sleep and stuff like that. And I go up there and check on him to make sure he okay. Yo, this is so good. And y'all gonna go get y'all some cherry tarts at Food Line. Warm them up for like 20 minutes or 10 minutes. It's like they wrapped up in a crescent. And it's good. At the end of this video, I'm gonna do some try out and everything like that. But in between time, in the meantime, make sure y'all go check out my other videos that I posted. And make sure you give my videos a thumbs up. Make sure you go subscribe. Give me some feedback. Shout out to the new people that have joined the Takeover Squad. I appreciate y'all for the support. It's free. Ain't no telling what I'm going to be talking about in my next video, because I said what kind of my mind. If y'all would like me to talk about some topics, you can email me, or you can write me on IG. Everything come to my phone. So if you send me a message on IG, I got you. I'm also accepting fan mail now. I got my PO box posted down below for fan mail. And like I said before, I'm not up here looking for no clout. I'm not looking for no handout. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just posting my videos and trying to connect with everybody. Well, I understand that some people can look at your content and not subscribe because maybe they don't like what they see. Or some people do like what they see. So then they'll hit that subscribe button. And that's all it is to it. So my goal is to reach at least 200 subscribers. That's about it for right now. And get more people to come and join the family. And we're gonna take this thing forward. Oh, my CBD. It will have you mellow, cool, calm, and collected. But you gotta make sure you eat something first before you smoke that kind. Because if you don't, you will get hungry. So, I'm gonna eat before I smoke. And that's about it. Comment down below if you smoke CBD. And give me some more brands to try. Two nuggets. One for the plug, one for the load. I got two nuggets, one for the plug and one for the load. Hey, hit me on my cell phone. Come on, don't you need my love? I got a problem. Mm. Comment down below, let me know if y'all like my hairstyle. Might pick them dreads. Pick Next week, I'm gonna do some karaoke videos. So I'll post them. I seen that I've been doing mukbangs for the past couple of days. So what I'm gonna start doing is one day it's gonna be a mukbang, one day it's gonna be a challenge, the next day it's gonna be karaoke. Or whatever I feel like doing. So I wanted to do a karaoke today, but I didn't feel like singing. Because I was in the bathroom yesterday and I was just sitting on the commode and a song just hit me, like it just hit me in my spirit. And I don't even know the name of the song at all. And it was like, I forgot. OMG. Like, I just said it yesterday. Y'all gotta give me a second. Okay. It was like, excuse me, I had to burp. Yo, I don't remember the song, man. And I just said it yesterday. I don't know how many times. And I'm sitting here thinking like, okay, what was it like? What was it like? What was it? I'm trying to refresh my memory. I think it was Hold On Until God Unchanged His Hand. I think that was the song. It was a gospel song. And I don't remember, man. If anybody know the song Hold On Until God Unchanged His Hand, let me know. Comment down below. But anyway, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the family. Join the squad. Send me a message on Facebook and let me know what y'all would like for me to talk about. And I got y'all. I be looking out for them challenges, man. I be looking out for them challenges. Go and try my challenges. Yo, the lemon with no reaction and reaction challenge and the molded chicken salad. Them the two videos that took off. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that bell for another little video. And join the Takeover Squad. Gang, gang. And I'm out.